Hi, I'm Bob Saul. I'm Technical Manager for Lithofin, and today what we're going to run through is our 2-product kit that you may have been supplied with your worktop recently, and I'm just going to run through the couple of products we've got in there and just give you some information, so if you need any help at any point with your new worktops, we can always be of assistance. So what we're looking at today is the KitNAT, or the care kit for kitchen worktops, natural stone kitchen worktops. And the products that you've got in here, so if you're opening the box for the first time, we're just going to take the products out. Okay. And what you've got there is two products. You've got a microfiber cloth, and you've also got a spray applicator for the day-to-day product. So you may have been advised, if you've got brand new worktops or you've just sealed them, maybe to leave them 48, 72 hours just to let everything cure up, and that will give you maximum protection with your impregnators. You may have had a product, our product Lithofin MN Stain Stop applied. So when you come to maintain, your daily cleaner for these tops is Lithofin Easy Clean. So Lithofin Easy Clean is, like I say, a day-to-day product you can use whenever you need to. And what we're going to do is simply just remove the cap, take the tube, and we're just going to insert that into the top or the head of the spray bottle. Just give that a good push in. We're then going to slot that in, tighten it up. And what you may have to do is just turn that nozzle, and that will hopefully just let that fluid come up, and you'll be able to use it as a general sprayer. So what you're going to do is, like I say, when you've been cooking or you've got some greases or maybe watermarks on top of the surface from letting things dry on these drainer areas, just spray a small amount of the product around, take your microfiber cloth, let it dwell for a second, and then just start to work that over the whole worktop. Okay, now that should take up any sort of day-to-day greases. Like I say, light watermarks, you don't want to let those build anyway. What you can do then, just turn that microfiber and then just buff that back to your polished finish, or the honed finish that you have. And that again is a good deep cleaner, but the main thing with this product is it's specifically made, 1, to look after your stone, but 2, to actually look after and top up the impregnator, the stain stop, the MN stain stop you may have in your worktop. The second product is Lithofin Power Clean. So Lithofin Power Clean is a slightly deeper cleaner. It's just for occasional use. So if you have the little watermarks that you find on your top, sometimes around the drainer, or if you've been baking and you've got greases that are just stuck in the surface capillaries of the top, a little bit of diluted Power Clean, maybe 1 to 10 to start with, do a small test. And you can use a soft brush or a white pad to use this Power Clean, and that hopefully should just lift that away for you. Once that's done, you're back to the Easy Clean for day-to-day use. If you do need any more information on the Power Clean, there is a video on deep cleaning or restoration of natural stone worktops, so if you need to look at that. Now, what you can also do if you want to is go onto our website. We do have method statements on there, and we'll have one for natural stone kitchen countertops, worktops, and that will tell you, again, give you step-by-step instruction. It'll tell you what not to use, but the main thing is it'll have our technical number on. So the technical number is there for all of our suppliers and distributors, for you as clients, to call us if you have any problems with your worktops, cleaning and maintenance wise, and we can run through those with you and give you some assistance on getting them back up if you have any problems. When you run out of these products, if you need to, you can get hold of the Easy Clean. You can buy it simply in the spray bottle with the cap, or you can actually buy a top-up bottle, which is a 1 litre. So we've got the 1 litre Easy Clean top-up, and the Lithofin Power Clean, if you need it, will come in anything from 500ml to 1 litre size products that are easily available from our distributors. Again, the main thing, you've got your new worktops, you're using our products to maintain it. If you have any problems at all, call us on the technical number. The number and the website will follow this, but the main thing is stay in touch with us, and we'll look after you and your worktops and keep those nice and clean for you. Thanks very much. Thank you.